Welcome to Compare to Win. The best ring light is probably one of the most essential tools a modern hairstylist can have in their arsenal, dramatically enhancing the way clients see their hair color, texture, and style under its flattering, shadow-reducing glow, making it an indispensable asset for creating stunning transformations and capturing professional quality photos and videos that truly showcase your artistry. Number 5. UBeesize 12-foot LED ring light with 62 tripod stand. Experience superior illumination with our upgraded 12-inch ring light. It features 240 high-efficiency LEDs, providing brighter and more stable lighting than standard models. This ensures soft, even light perfect for all your creative needs. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 5 color temperature modes, ranging from warm to cool. Easily achieve the perfect ambience for any situation, reducing shadows and enhancing your appearance. This extendable tripod stand reaches up to 62 inches and can also function as a selfie stick. It's lightweight yet stable, making it ideal for various uses from video calls to travel photography. Achieve any desired shooting angle with the 360 degrees rotatable head and adjustable phone holder. Whether you need portrait, landscape, or overhead shots, it offers maximum flexibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with most smartphones, cameras, webcams, and even small tablets. You can easily connect your preferred device for content creation. This comprehensive kit includes the ring light, tripod, phone holder, Bluetooth remote, and USB cable. It's the ultimate lighting solution for all your content creation endeavors. What we like? This light offers a powerful 12-inch LED with 240 LEDs, providing more brightness than standard models. If you're looking for a versatile option that can be used as both a standing tripod and a handheld selfie stick, this is a great choice. It's perfect for content creators who need flexibility in their setup. What people say. This ring light is a game changer for hairstylists. The adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for perfect lighting in any salon environment, ensuring accurate color representation for hair dyeing and styling. The large size of the ring light provides even illumination, eliminating shadows and highlighting the hair's texture and shine. It's also lightweight and easy to position, making it a versatile tool for various styling techniques. The included phone mount and remote control are incredibly convenient for stylists who need to capture before and after photos or videos of their work. The light is stable and doesn't flicker, which is essential for professional use. Number 4. NEEWER RL 18-inch LED ring light kit. Introducing the NEEWER RL 18, an 18-inch professional LED ring light kit. It's designed to provide exceptional lighting for a variety of creative needs, from studio photography to video content creation. This kit features a powerful 55W LED light with adjustable brightness, allowing you to achieve the perfect illumination for any situation. The 5600K color temperature ensures accurate and vibrant colors. Included is a sturdy 61-inch light stand, a flexible soft tube for easy positioning, color filters for creative effects, and a smartphone holder. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's perfect for makeup artists, tattoo artists, barbers, YouTubers, and anyone looking to enhance their studio or video lighting. The lightweight and portable design makes it easy to set up anywhere. Setting up is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The included accessories ensure compatibility with most cameras and smartphones, making it a versatile tool for all your lighting projects. Constructed with quality materials, it offers exceptional strength and stability. The LED bulbs are designed for safety, emitting low heat and protecting your eyes from harmful radiation. What we like? This 18-inch ring light kit is designed for professionals, offering a powerful 55W output and a wide dimming range. If you are a hairstylist, makeup artist, or tattoo artist who needs precise and soft lighting for detailed work, this is the one for you. The included carrying bag also makes it convenient for mobile professionals. What people say. The ring light is a great addition to my salon, providing excellent lighting for detailed work. I love how adjustable the brightness and color temperature are, allowing me to customize the light for different hair colors and styles. The stand is sturdy and holds the ring light securely, even at its highest setting. Number 3. Kaiess 10.2 Selfie Ring Light with Tripod. Introducing the Kaiess 10.2 Selfie Ring Light, your ultimate tool for professional-looking content creation. It provides perfect lighting for any situation. With 3 color modes and 10 brightness levels, you can achieve the ideal illumination for your needs. The upgraded arched lampshade ensures uniform, eye-friendly light. This ring light features an upgraded tripod stand that extends up to 65 inches, offering exceptional stability. It's perfect for both tabletop use and floor standing. Powered by USB, it works with most devices. Easily adjust settings with the wireless remote, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Ideal for makeup tutorials, live streams, video calls, and photography, it helps you shine like a star in any close-up shot. The rotatable phone holder securely fits all smartphones, allowing for perfect 360-degree angles. Capture content horizontally or vertically with ease. What we like. This ring light features an upgraded arched lampshade for more uniform and balanced light, reducing eye strain. If you're looking for a lighting solution that's gentle on the eyes while still providing excellent illumination for close-up work like makeup or product shots, this is an ideal pick. Its compact size and adjustable height make it suitable for various spaces. What people say. The ring light is great for hairstylists, providing excellent lighting for detailed work. It has adjustable brightness and color temperature settings, allowing for precise control over the lighting environment. The design is sleek and modern, and it's easy to set up and use. Number 2. JIANJIN 18 Dimmable LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the JIANJIN 18-inch Ring Light Kit. This versatile lighting solution is designed for creators on the go, offering professional quality illumination in a portable package. With 416 high-performance LEDs and adjustable brightness from 1% to 100%, you can achieve the perfect lighting for any situation. Fine-tune your light from a warm 2600K to a cool 6700K to match your creative vision. Everything you need is included in a durable, multifunctional suitcase. It conveniently stores the light, tripod, and all accessories, making setup and transport a breeze. The included 63-inch tripod stand provides a stable base, and the light panel rotates 360 degrees for optimal positioning. It securely holds both your smartphone and camera. Control your lighting from up to 10 meters away with the 2.4G remote controller. Plus, a convenient USB charging port keeps your devices powered up during long shoots. Whether you're shooting for YouTube, TikTok, or capturing stunning self-portraits, this ring light kit ensures uniform light distribution and a high CRI 95 for true-to-life colors. We stand by our product with a 7-month warranty for refund or replacement. Experience the difference with our upgraded 18-inch ring light. What we like. This 18-inch ring light boasts a high CRI for accurate color representation and a convenient multifunctional suitcase that holds all accessories. If you need a portable yet powerful lighting setup that ensures true-to-life colors for your client's hair, this is an excellent option. The suitcase design makes it incredibly easy to transport and set up anywhere. What people say. The ring light is very bright and has adjustable brightness levels, making it perfect for detailed work like hairstyling. It comes with a sturdy stand that is easy to assemble and adjust, providing stable lighting without wobbling. The color temperature is adjustable, allowing for accurate color representation, which is crucial for hair color application and styling. Number 1. Sensyne 50 Ring Light with Stand. Achieve flawless lighting for your videos, makeup, and streams. With multiple color modes and brightness levels, you can easily create soft, flattering light that eliminates harsh shadows and overexposure. This versatile tripod extends from 15.7 to 50 inches, making it perfect for desk use, standing filming, or even full-body shots. It's your all-in-one solution for video calls, live streaming, and content creation. Get the perfect shot every time with its flexible phone holder and adjustable head. You can easily switch between portrait, landscape, overhead, and low-angle shots, ideal for any creator. Take photos and videos from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. This is perfect for solo creators, group shots, and remote recording, allowing you to shoot without touching your phone. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a ring light, tripod stand, phone holder, and remote. It's compatible with both iPhone and Android devices, making it perfect for all your creative endeavors. What we like. This ring light offers a great balance of features with its 50-inch adjustable tripod and wireless remote control for hands-free operation. If you're a content creator who frequently shoots videos or streams and needs the flexibility to adjust height and control the light from a distance, this kit is perfect for you. It ensures you can get the perfect shot without constantly adjusting your phone. What people say. The ring light is perfect for hairstylists, providing excellent illumination for detailed work. Its adjustable brightness and color temperature settings allow for precise control over lighting conditions, enhancing the visibility of hair colors and textures. The sturdy stand and flexible gooseneck ensure the light can be positioned exactly where needed, without slipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.